Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found that your Thermomix TM5 screen stays completely black, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning display or a loose connection inside the unit. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more extensive damage, making your beloved kitchen assistant unusable. Let's get started on the repair. First, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure that you have a clean workspace and a container to keep your screws safe. To begin, unplug your Thermomix TM5 and carefully lay it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the base of the unit. Take your time, as these screws can be quite small. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the casing. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the casing together. With the casing removed, you will see the internal components. The likely culprit for the black screen is the display connection. Locate the display cable, which is usually found near the top of the device. Carefully disconnect it using your tweezers, ensuring you don't tug on any nearby components. Once disconnected, inspect both the cable and the port for any signs of damage. If everything looks good, it's time to reconnect the display cable securely. Make sure it clicks into place. If the cable looks frayed or damaged, you might need to replace it. To do this, you will need a compatible replacement part, which can often be sourced online. After ensuring everything is connected properly, gently replace the casing of the Thermomix TM5, making sure all clips are aligned. Reinsert the screws and tighten them gently. Avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. Now, plug your device back in and power it on. If the screen lights up, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM5. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure that you handle your Thermomix with care and avoid any impacts that could loosen internal connections. Regular maintenance and keeping it clean can also help prolong its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.